How to enable Quick Ball in Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus. How to turn it on. First you need to go to your phone's settings. Now scroll down and click on Additional Settings. Then click on Quick Ball. Now turn on. I have already turned it on. If you keep this turned on, your phone will appear on the lock screen. You can change it to your liking. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.